Ashi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to talk about how to take aesthetic pictures. There are different types of tips and things to go for when you are taking aesthetic pictures depending upon the aesthetic you are going for. But with these ideas I really hope that you get some inspiration, some photo ideas. So let's get into the video. So the number one tip is the most obvious one for taking any kind of pictures, and that is having a background in mind. So for aesthetic pictures you can choose places like cute cafes or some gardens. I think the aesthetic pictures really vibe with nature, and you can also choose libraries. And if all of these sounds really difficult or something which you cannot go for, or like you just cannot do that for a picture, then you can go for solid backgrounds. I think solid backgrounds come up really nice on pictures. And again, if not that, you can go for those white bedsheet kind of effects. I don't like that drapey effect, so I don't really go for that, but I think any kind of a solid background works really well. Here are some clips of me at the library, and even if you're not going to library, if you have some spare books, then you can use them for this idea as well. Again is a very obvious one, and that is having a good lighting. Now I know most of the aesthetic pictures have that grainy vibe and grainy effect, but you have apps to do that, so you don't want your picture to have a bad or poor quality to begin with. So make sure you have good lighting, and of course when we are talking about lighting we need to talk about the golden hour. So you can take pictures during the golden hour, you can use that glow, but even if not during that time, you can take pictures when there's a good lighting. Here I have a photo idea for you guys, and that is taking shadow pictures. So you can easily do this using the sunlight. Taking shadow pictures using the sunlight is really nice and really simple, but if you are not able to do that, you can still do that by using this method which I do. You should know what you want to capture for your aesthetic picture. Like, it does not always have to be you. It could be skies, it could be any ornament, any jewelry, any fashion item, any eating item, a cup of coffee, even a nice dessert, anything which you want to go for. So like, you must really know what you want to click and what you want to get in that picture. So the next idea is to know about filters and apps. I really don't think that the actual camera of any phone captures that aesthetic vibe that we are going for. You need to know about the filters and apps with which you can edit. So if you want a whole video on that, I can really do that for you guys. But some of the apps which I use are Snapchat and Snapseed and Fuji are there. So there are some apps, but the best thing is to get Snapchat because you can get so many filters out there. Like, it's a collective filters for all those other apps. So there's not a single app or a single detail which you want in your picture you cannot get in Snapchat. So make sure you install that, or you have that for editing your pictures. And you can use that for clicking pictures. It's really cool. However, you cannot use that to edit your pictures which you already have in your gallery, so that could be a drawback. So as I said, if you guys want a video on that, I can definitely make a video on that. My last tip is to get inspiration, and I don't really think there's any single place to get inspiration from. You can even walk on the road and see a picture, a scenery, a boat or something, and be inspired by that. But to begin with, I think Pinterest is a great platform to get more aesthetic pictures. I think it's even better than Instagram when you are trying to get ideas or inspiration for aesthetic pictures. And if you don't know what Pinterest is, it's similar to Instagram. If you guys want, you can click my link down below and you would be headed to my Pinterest, and you can check it out from there and download it if you want to for yourself. So any kind of particular photo idea that you want, or any kind of picture that you want, you can just search for it, and Pinterest will show you dozens of ideas and you can choose anyone. So you guys can follow me on my Instagram if you want to. You don't have to, but you can, to get some more photo ideas. And also here are some other photo ideas which I did not know where to put or how to point them together. So I hope you enjoyed these clips or some of the pictures. I really hope that this video video helped you guys to get some idea, some photo inspiration. If it did, you guys can help me out in turn by liking this video, commenting something nice down below, and subscribing to my channel. It really helps my channel to grow and I appreciate it a lot. And my next video idea is going to be about how to take pictures at home, something which I have done before. So if you guys are interested in that, then hit that notification bell along with the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on that video. And meanwhile, you can check out these other videos which I have done before, and I really hope to see you guys next time. Until then.